morning, everyone. Welcome to another vlog. Hello, babe.
Hello.
Now we are going outside, but first we need to get an appointment for his eye doctor. Yeah, so magpapa-check up siya ng mata. So we're going to go there to get an appointment this coming weekend or probably next week. And then samahan niyo kami pumunta ng Bowling Green. We're planning to go to one of the Asian store there. We're here now. Eye clinic. We got an appointment next week, Wednesday. Akala ko siya lang. Ako rin pala magpapa-check up. Na-check up niya na rin ako kasi it's covered naman by the insurance. So, and also the pair of eyeglass, right, babe? Even the sunglass.
Well, you can get what they call transition lenses.
Okay. Yeah, we're done. Now we're heading to Bowling Green. Pero hindi kami pupunta doon. This is part of the mall. Medyo malaki yung mall nila dito. Para siyang Mall of Asia. Ano, babe? It looks like Mall of Asia but there's no second floor, third floor. And Dillard's is part of their mall. They called it Greenwood Mall. And this is where the Asian store located. Yan. Kung saan nakakabili ako ng toge.
Be able to get your doggy.
Your doggy. Yan. Ito yung Asian store. MSK Market. Mediterranean, European, and Asian. It's just beside the mall. Near Hobby Lobby and Kroger there. And let's get doggy. I want three, babe. Yeah. Probably just a basket. Yeah, kuha lang siya sa basket. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Yeah.
They also have luya, sibuyas. Oh, they also have banana. And chili. I need chilies, my love. Ah, yay! They have red and green now. Previously it's just green. And din silang frozen goods. Over there too. Longganisa. Let's see, oh, sausage. Pork blood. Gusto kong magdinuguan pero hindi ko alam kung paano. Baka malansa. I don't know if this is bagoong or what. It says fish sauce.
Try it.
Dito ko nabili yung bangus dati but I haven't seen it now. I didn't see anything. The milkfish. They have pampano. Daing na bangus, they don't have. Oh, I think this is a smoked fish. Ah, but it's too big. Here, boneless milkfish smoked. I like this, babe. So, may Asian grocery here. First time namin titingnan. Chin Asian Grocery. Kasi hinahanap namin yung dati namin pinuntahan, di namin makita. Here. So let's check. Frozen goods. They also have ice cream. Sayote. Nakatingin ako ng sayote dito from the grocery. Hindi masarap. Cabbage, babe. Lumpia. Vegetable lumpia. Pork sausage. Oh, I don't think they have. Meron din silang walis tambo dito. Walis tambo. Snacks. Fried garlic. We'll get one. I think it's real because there's a... See that? Meron pang balat na kasama. I'll get this one. Yan, Asian market. Dito rin yung pinupuntahan namin lagi dito. Yan. Meron din silang restaurant. Spring rolls. Here, daing na bangus meron sila but I'm good. I'm good with my smoked fish. And meron din sila mga Filipino fish here. Oh. Chicken. Oh, they also have togi pala here. They also have togi, babe. May chili rin. They also have togi here. Yay! Banana ketchup. I think this is kangkong, right? Am I right? Or am I wrong? Probably I don't need it because I still have spinach. Kakabili ko lang ng spinach. I'll probably get 2 only, babe. 2.
Little bottles or big bottles?
Just little. So, need patis. Got patis here. There is pancit canton, but it's calamansi. I don't like calamansi. Oh, there's no other flavor. They also have different kinds of mamasita. Pancit bihon, sweet and sour. Lumpiang Shanghai. We are still looking for the first Asian store that we went before when I get here in the US. And still we can't find it. If I will see the place, I will remember it, babe. Like the parking lot and all. I still remember it, but I can't remember the exact location.
Can't either. I know it's on this
Yeah,
road.
on this road.
But
This way. Asian store hunting. By the way, we're still in Bowling Green. All of the places that we've been to are all in Bowling Green.
there it is, right there.
Where? There?
Yeah.
Here. Seasonings. They also have banana ketchup. V-cut. I'm going to get mackerel. How much is it? $2.69. They also have sardines. Yay! I've got all the things that I want. We'll get a haul later para makita nyo yung mga binili namin from Asian stores. Thank you, my love. I love you. So we are back home. And now, let's do the haul. So first is from MSK Market. Nakaano kami dito? $38.51. So first na nakuha namin is Dato Buti soy sauce and vinegar. We also got tinapang bangus, smoked fish, and palabok noodle. Ayan siya. Super cute. Meron pa ako nito kaso paubos na kaya bumili ako ng extra. And then I also got toge, my favorite toge. I got 3 packs. And saging na saba for turon or banana cue. We also got garlic and eggplant. Yeah, I got 2 eggplant. Wala na kasi akong eggplant. And more sili. May sili pa pala ako. Ayan, red chili. Yeah. So next store is from Chin Market. And we got some few items from there. First is the big cabbage. Tinanong ko pa kung cabbage to kasi parang hindi siya repolyo. Ang laki niya. Ayan. Some chocolate Hello Panda. I got 4. Next is the fried garlic. Ayan. Nakaano kami dito. $16.65. So these items are from Nasin Asian Market. Ayan. So I got patis. I also got 2 Jufran banana ketchup. Here's the other one. I also got lakini beef noodles. Natakap lang kasi ako sa Lucky Me. I want chicken kaso walang chicken. So, beef instead. And another smoked fish. Yan. Stock ko lang dito para lang just in case kasi it will be few days or months again para pumunta bago kami uli pumunta ng Asian Market. So, I got 2 smoked fish and ang aking inhaler. Nakita ko isang peraso doon. So, this I think $2.99. Dun sa Nasin Asian Market, we spent $26 and $64. So for the last store, we went to Blessing Asian Grocery and we spent $7.09 there. So I got this first off, Luyang Dilaw, which is turmeric. Kasi kapag nagluluto kami ng chicken curry, hindi talaga kami nag-curry powder. So, ito talaga yung ginagamit namin para hinuot yung lasa. So, I really want to cook chicken curry with this. So, I'm really grateful na nakakita ko nito doon. Next one is this mackerel. It's $2.69. Dun sa tatlong Asian store na napuntahan natin nung una, wala silang ganitong brand. Meron silang mackerel pero ibang brand siya. But this is what I like. Ayan. So, I'm glad I found it also. And, Ligo sardines. Kumuha ko ng isa. I don't know how much is this. I think it's $1.30. Ayan. This one is $3.10. Feels like I didn't say it right. Did I?
Kind of sounds like I don't know what I'm saying.
Whatever. So that's it, everyone. Those are the things that we've got from the Asian stores. And I'm happy to have them all. Maluluto ko na rin ng iba't ibang putahe pa rin na ating kinagisnan, which is Filipino foods. Salamat ulit sa pagsama sa amin for today. And until my next video. Bye!